Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to supercharge your productivity with a fantastic feature in Microsoft Edge, the split screen mode. Whether you are juggling multiple tasks or just want to keep an eye on two things at once, this feature is a game changer. So let's dive right in. First up, let's find the split screen icon. Open up your Edge browser and you will see a small icon that looks like two rectangles, one beside the other. At the top right corner of your browser window, click on it and watch the magic happens. Once you have clicked the split screen icon, your current tab will split into two halves. Now you can load a different web page in each half. Simply type the URL or search query in the address bar of each pane. For instance, you can have your research notes on one side and your document editor on the other. One of the best part about this feature is its flexibility. You can resize the split by dragging the border between the two panes to suit your needs. Give more space to your page you are focusing on while keeping an eye on the other. Now here is a nifty trick. You can switch between linked and unlinked tabs using the button on the top right corner of the split screen. This allows you to open links from the left tab directly in the right tab. Super handy, right? If you want ever to exit the split screen mode, it's an easy as clicking the close split window button. You will return to your regular browsing view in no time. And there you have it. The split screen mode in Microsoft Edge is a powerful tool to enhance your multitasking capabilities and boost productivity. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.